So you might be running into this issue on WhatsApp. For some reason, you're getting these pop-ups that tell you that WhatsApp couldn't call you, or they couldn't send you a text, or they couldn't do something like that, and you're basically going to have to try again in an hour. Now, there's a couple of reasons why this could end up happening. The big caveat and the big thing, looming statement, whatever, is number one, if you're using like a text-free number or a Google phone number, something like that, WhatsApp knows that you're using like a different type of fake phone number, like a texting application, and they're not going to be able to send it. There are some apps that do work, I think, but for the most part, if you're using one of the more popular options and you're using like a text-free number or something like that, it may not work for you. So just kind of keep that in mind. Number two, if you're using a phone number that's already associated with a different type of account, it may not work for you either. So just kind of keep that in mind as well. Now, a big thing I would recommend doing is just to close out of WhatsApp. So just get out of WhatsApp like this and go ahead and make your way over into your app store. So hop inside of your app store like this. And what you want to do is you want to search up WhatsApp. So search up WhatsApp. If you just downloaded this application, then it may not be prevalent to you. But if you go and click on this particular application like this, you can go and click on the update button right here. And that is going to go ahead and update WhatsApp on your phone. So if you're using an outdated version, that could have been the reason why you're running into this problem. So now open up WhatsApp again, and you can try going into WhatsApp and seeing, try going through the process and seeing that again. Now, if that's still not working, you may want to go through and double check your date and your time settings on your device that you have. So just make your way over into your settings app of your phone, scroll over to your settings where your date and your time settings are. And for iPhones, it's in general settings. And just make sure you're set on automatically or your time zone is right for your area. You may also want to make sure your phone number and everything like that are in good standing and you have a phone number associated with it. And just double check that your phone number that you typed in was correct. Because sometimes that phone number you typed in may not have been correct, and that might have been the problem that you're running into. So those are pretty much the main ways to go and fix this issue. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out, till then.